So I think I'm pregnant. Trying to do this quick. I'm just gonna put these little sakis in there. Gonna put this and this, just on this. Yesterday, he could tell something was different because he was like, "Are you okay?" And obviously I was thinking of all these thoughts when, you find out that you're pregnant. And I'm kind of whispering because he's in the shower right now. I gotta figure out where to set up this camera so I can hopefully try to get a reaction. Believe that. Come here.
What is that?
Just sit. You gotta dig in there.
Oh Lord.
What?
What is this? Oh, you're kidding.
No, I'm not. What are you thinking?
Oh my gosh, are you serious?
Yes.
Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh my gosh! I'm sweating. Are you pregnant?
Yes.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god!
Oh my goodness! What is it? What is it?
Enséñalo.
What's in there?
Okay.
Oh my god! ¿Qué es?
¿Qué es eso?
¡Ay, qué hermoso! Tu papá ya está llorando.
Estoy sorprendido.
Sorry, vete ya.
Ya tiene un poquito de cemento.
No way!
I knew it! I knew it!
Yo sabía que yo no podía ir a este mundo sin que tú me hicieras mis abuelas.
What do you think we're gonna tell you?
You have a baby.
Yes!
I told him that.
We're gonna have a baby!
I knew it. I knew it.
You're gonna have a cousin!
What? Can I see?
Well, we gotta wait.
I hope it's a boy.
Que te quiero enseñar algo. hace el tío.
See, I knew I said something that was accurate.
Quería contar a ustedes que
Voy a ser papá. Ay, te veo despertándote de noche.
I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Yo ya sabía. 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 If there's one thing I'm good at is knowing those things.
What?
That's right.
So excited. Oh my gosh.
No way! Oh my god!
Stop.
No way.
Wait. We went the time delay. You're recording. I'm about to cry.
Is that it?
But